big cousin right here.
You dance like your big cousin?
Go dance. Go dance.
Is your big cousin Taylor or is your big cousin Chelsea?
Go dance. Go
You have
dance.
a lot of big cousins, actually, don't you?
Where's
Where's
Dot?
Monica?
Oh, she's in bed. Oh, she's okay.
Close.
Stand up and dance.
Good Lord, who is this drone?
This is Kid Rock. Who's this girl?
Drummer.
Oh.
Oh, what did he say?
What'd you say, Alan?
It's a girl drummer. What it is.
Oh, I thought you were about Kid Rock. I was like,
Big girl drummer.
Are you sure it's just not a guy that has long hair?
you should have seen this chick at the race last Sunday. I was in the porta potty line, and she, I can't believe I didn't see her before, but
Go dance.
she came out, she'd gone into
Let's
the
go
porta potty,
dance.
she came out, she was the biggest, I mean, she had the biggest arms and shoulders. I mean, she's like one of those bodybuilders that looks like a guy, kind of, their body looks like a guy, but it was a woman. It was just disgusting.
You sure she's a woman?
Yeah, it was a woman. She had on a big pink shirt. Oh, it was a woman.
She had boobs.
Look at this drummer.
That doesn't mean anything.
This drummer, just male or female?
I think it's a woman. Oh, they got dancers out there.
Is this halftime?
Dance like
I
them.
don't think it started
No,
yet.
Barbara, it's the formation to the kick return.
Man,
All the fans went into dancing
Is
mode.
this before the game, or is it really
it's
halftime?
halftime.
Sorry, Barbara. Of course it's
It's a symbol. Well, it could have been the pregame.
Yeah, sometimes they do it before.
It could
They-
have been the postgame.
The people were dancing and they were acted like fans. Like, oh, and they started to dance.
Catfish you ever land. Chelsea, what do you want to do here?
I thought that was great.
Alright, give me a Ziploc.
Stop recording me or I'll punch you.
Are you having a good time, Emma?
I feel like children are only like conceived for entertainment.